GBPUSD this week has not made significant movements except just returning back up around this resistance level around 1.2784, and the price is still here without going outside of this range area. We can see that the price started the week going up and then returning back down. We can see this strong wicks between this support and resistance level, and the rest of the week we can see the price is jumping around this one, not making any significant moves. We can see that the price could not make a breakout to the upside above this 1.27439 price level. We can see the higher price level that the price has touched and also tried to make a breakout to the upside, but the selling pressure here is much stronger than the buying pressure that is pushing the price above. So this means we have still indecision in the market, so everything still open for the price. We can see that in the previous week the price has formed this bullish pin bar, which is not right here at the support level, so it was not so significant. But what we can see this week, the price has made a breakout to the upside looking on the weekly time frame, which is also suggesting a little bit move up. But very important level is this one still here, which is very important for the price to make a breakout to the upside, 1.280. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. The previous month has closed as a bullish one, and this one is still moving to the upside. It looks like the price is trying to make a breakout around 1.28347, which is a very important level on the monthly time frame. So for now, what we can see, the price is reaching higher price levels on the monthly time frame, but we have around 3 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open. We need to see also on the weekly and also daily time frame how this looks, but for now, as it looks on the monthly time frame, it looks the price is trying to attack this 1.283 price level in order to make a breakout to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, what we can see is very important for the price to make a breakout around 1.281, which is also a very important level on the weekly time frame. So if this happens, we will see price heading up and also reaching the next one, which is around 1.28, which we can see here very close to 1.3 as a round number. So as it looks for now, on the weekly time frame, this looks bullish, but for much more clear information, we need to go to the daily time frame. On the daily, we can see that the price is still in small uptrend channel, where the price is trying to make a breakout outside of this range area. On the daily time frame, we do not have any signal that the price is making a breakout like this in this attempt here. So we need some kind of this candle that will make a breakout above this resistance level, which will indicate of the bullish pressure that will push the price even more higher. But after that, after the breakout happens, the price needs to validate this breakout as the valid one, not returning back inside with the next candle. So for this one, as it looks, everything looks bullish, but we need to be open-minded because in each day the price can return back down all the way to the support level and also make breakout to the downside. But for now, all the market signals are indicating that the price will try to make a breakout to the upside, and also we can see a larger wicks going up than down compared to the downside. So we have a monthly time frame which is a bullish, we have a weekly time frame that looks to be a bullish, and also we can see the daily is trying to make breakout to the upside about 1.278, where very critical level is here at the daily level, which is just a minute, this is the 1.27635, and also we have mentioned that 1.281 on the weekly time frame and also 1.283 on the monthly time frame. So this is the area which is a very important level for the price. If it breaks above, not going back down, this will mean that the price will continue to reach higher price levels, which means the start of the supply zone around 1.295. So if you would like also to check and also see a daily analysis when the market makes a breakout to the upside or something happens, I'm also sharing the daily analysis inside the trading community, which link you can find below in the description. So inside, see you if you would like to check it. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.